Hello dear students, I'm Steph. Are you happy today? I hope you are all happy. In the last lesson, we learned about the topic Vietnam, then and now. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about recipes and eating habits. Now, turn to page 6 in your course book. Getting started, my favourite salad. We will start with the conversation between 3 people. Me, Nick's mum, and Nick. They are making a salad. Today, we are making a prawn salad, which is a favourite of mine. Fantastic! I love salad. This salad is simple but delicious. Here are the ingredients. Prawns, celery, spring onions, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt and pepper. What should I do first, Mum? Get a big bowl for me. And then can you wash the celery? Sure. I can wash the spring onions if you like, Mrs. Warner. Please do. I'll boil the prawns. So, do English people eat lots of salad? Yes, especially in the summertime. People often serve salad as a starter, but salads also make a healthy lunch or supper. You're right, they're so versatile, and you can put anything in a salad. Mum, the prawns are pink now. They're pink? Yes. Good, they're ready. I'll drain them. Nick, can you peel them? Me, could you chop the celery and spring onions? You should be careful if you use the red knife, it's sharp. Right, everything's ready. What do we do next? Okay, first combine the prawns and celery in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and some lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients well. Okay. Finally, add the spring onion on top. Now we cover the bowl and leave it in the fridge for an hour. You've done a good job, both of you. I can't wait to try it. Yeah, I'm starving. An hour is a long time. In the conversation I just read, we saw the words boil, salad, and peel. Let's take a look at those words. Boil is to reach or cause something to reach the temperature at which a liquid starts to turn into a gas. The kettle is boiling. Now listen. Boil. Salad is a mixture of uncooked vegetables. A salad bowl. Now listen. Salad. Anna is peeling an apple. Be very careful when you peel. Now listen. Peel. In today's lesson, we will learn 5 more new words. What are they? Chop. Versatile. Dip. Sprinkle. Slice. Are you ready? Here we go. Chop. Chop is to cut something into pieces with an axe, knife, or other sharp instrument. She is chopping a cucumber. Now listen. Chop. Chop. Versatile. Versatile is able to change easily from one activity to another, or able to be used for many different purposes. Look at this picture. A leather jacket is a versatile garment that can be worn in all seasons. Now listen. Versatile. Versatile. Dip. Dip is to put something into a liquid for a short time. He's dipping the toothbrush into the cup. Now listen. Dip. Dip. Sprinkle. Sprinkle is to drop a few pieces or drops of something over a surface. He sprinkles cheese onto a pizza. Now listen. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Slice. Slice is to cut something into thin, flat pieces. Sliced bread. Now listen. Slice. Slice. Those are the 5 new words for today. Chop. Versatile. Dip. Sprinkle. Slice. Now we will turn to the next session, pronunciation. In today's lesson, we will learn about tones in statements used as questions. Listen to me. What's for dinner? We're eating out tonight. We're eating out? Right. Listen to me. What should we do tomorrow? Let's go to Hwankiem Lake. Hwankiem Lake? Yes, let's try some street food. That's the end for today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.